what comes to mind when you think of Bicol University?
Is it a free tuition? Or is it about the difficulty of being accepted into the university?
Or are you like us, who want to strive to become the quality students that the university is molding us to be? The students that our world needs by instilling BU's 4 pillars.
Scholarship, leadership, character, and service. 4 values that every student at the Bicol University has that can shape a better tomorrow.
A state university that not just gives you the tools you need for the future, but the strength to forge through any hardship that comes your way.
But don't fret, because although there will be many obstacles in your path, BU also has events that will surely lift your spirits.
Like the 7-day-long BU Week, where students from all BU's various colleges compete in different sports and contests that allow everyone to shine.
And if you are in your freshman and sophomore year, then the BU Hataw, a mass demo presentation comprising of first to second year students from all over the Bicol University, will surely test your stamina and your dance moves.
But don't worry, because it's also a way for you to bond even more with your blockmates and maybe make some new friends along the way.
We cannot forget the highlight of BU Week itself though, the concert, a time where everyone settles their differences and has some fun throughout the late afternoon and evening with some really good music from really talented artists.
But what if you don't really like the courses offered in the campus?
What if you want something that is more grassroots, closer to the people that you encounter every single day all day new?
Then the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy in BU's Taraga Satellite Campus might be just for you.
A college that cultivates its students to specifically become leaders or change agents and service for sustainable development worldwide.
And don't worry, because the main campus isn't the only place where fun happens.
Just take a look at the CSSP Days, a 3-day-long event where students from its different courses showcase their various skills and talents from sports to literary, visual and musical arts that will definitely blow your socks off in a friendly competition.
When all is said and done though, students in BUCSSP are in school to study.
And when it comes to fields of study, then there is nothing better and more relevant than studying society itself.
And for that, AB Sociology will definitely be the course for you.
Today, we are chatting with some of the prominent sociologists as then some of our blackmates about their personal experiences as a sociology students.
So grab your notebooks and get ready for some first-hand stories that might just inspire you to embark on your own sociological adventure. Let's go!
So today, we are with Jay, our group mate.
Yes, magahay ka naman, Jay!
Hi! Hello, madlang people!
So for your first question, bakit ka nga ba nagsosyo?
So, bakit nga ba ako nagsosyo? So, nagsosyo ako because I want to study the world, the society rather, and to understand society better. That's all.
Yes, I agree. So next question. What is by far your most memorable experience as a social student?
Okay, my best memorable experience when I was first year, the BU Hataw. Why? Because the fireworks and the concert.
I agree.
That's all.
So for our next interviewee, please introduce yourself.
Hi mga kabasen, my name is Marco and I am one of their groupmates as well.
So okay, Marco, I have a question for you. So what is your goal as a student?
My goal as a student is to honestly learn and take into heart the disciplines of my course so that someday I can proudly call myself as a good sociologist and provide something significant to the society.
Yes, it's so meaningful naman pala. So for your last question, what would be your advice for those aspiring sociology students?
Okay, if you are specifically applying for a slot or a position in BUCSSP, as a student, I can assure you that the Department of Sociology is a home for great teachers. And these people give good advices that are worth remembering and are worth applying as well into your life. So my advice for aspiring sociology majors is to be excited about meeting your mentors. Ito yung mga professors nyo sa magiging major subject nyo. At sana huwag niyo silang i-take for granted.
From gender development to culture and community organizing,
to even the realms of social psychology and the study of deviancy, AB Sociology has lessons to teach that you can bring with you out to the world.
here, theory and application are one and the same, but don't be fooled because it's not an easy path to take.
There will be hardships along the way, researches you have to conduct, position papers and essays to write, and good luck if you're not able to recite in class because you didn't read through the required material.
But with those obstacles come a lot of fun and enjoyable times and some events that will help you along in your college life.
Like AB Sociology's Cultural Day event, where all blocks and year levels not just show their creativity and reliability, but a celebration of the culture of different indigenous groups around the Philippines to make sure that they are taken care of and never forgotten.
Even the smaller events like the Post-Teachers Day celebration are truly special. A time for the students to express their gratitude and love for the people who don't give up on them, who remind them to never give up on themselves and to embrace a new perspective.
And although it may drain your social battery, your time in AB Sociology will definitely be unforgettable.
Because we're a community of our own and we all shoulder these burdens together.
One big, sometimes chaotic, but always loving family.
So if you're ever in doubt in life, then just remember this saying.
Kung gusto mo sa masayang kurso,
Edi piliin mo lang ang sosyo.
we hope this helped you.
And maybe one day meet you as you walk down the hallway of our department. See you soon!